Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Brave browser. Let's dive right in. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it loads up, direct your attention to the right panel of your screen. You'll see a gear icon there, which is your settings button for customizing the browser's appearance. Go ahead and click on it to access the background customization options. After clicking the gear icon, look for the option that says Show Background Images. You'll want to toggle this on. Enabling this setting is what allows you to actually see and use different backgrounds in your browser, so it's an essential first step before you can start customizing anything. Now that you've enabled background images, you'll notice several options become available to you. Brave gives you a few different ways to personalize your background, including Brave backgrounds, solid colors, and gradients. Each of these offers a different style, so you can choose whichever fits your preference best. For instance, let's start by clicking on solid colors. This option is great if you prefer a clean, minimalist look without any distractions. Once you click on it, you'll see a range of color options appear on your screen. Browse through them and select your preferred color from the options that appear. The background will change immediately, giving you a simple, solid color backdrop. Next, go back to the main background options and select gradients. Gradients offer a bit more visual interest than solid colors, with smooth transitions between different shades. After clicking on gradients, you'll see various gradient options displayed. Take a look through them and select your preferred background from the options that appear. This adds a more dynamic look to your browser while still keeping things relatively subtle. Alternatively, if you want to upload your own background and use a personal image, click on Upload from Device. This is perfect if you have a favorite photo or custom image you'd like to see every time you open a new tab. After clicking this option, a file browser window will open. Navigate through your folders, select the image you want to upload, and then click Open. The image will be uploaded and set as your background, giving your browser a completely personalized touch. Finally, if you want to set this permanently and avoid any ads interfering with your custom background, toggle off Show New Tab Page Ads. This ensures your chosen background stays exactly as you set it without any promotional content appearing over it. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Brave browser background to match your style. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.